To reset an Apple Watch without a passcode, no iPhone is near or lost. Here's how to erase your Apple Watch and set it up with a new iPhone or gift your watch to someone. First, put the Apple Watch on the charge and ensure that the Apple Watch is locked. If it's not locked, then lock it first. Wait for the screen to go black and lock it, or lock it from the control center. Press the side button to open the control center and lock it. Now, my watch is locked, so ensure that your Apple Watch is charging. And then press and hold the side button until you see the medical ID and emergency call slider on the screen. Then hold the digital crown button until you see the reset option on the screen. Wait for your iPhone erase process to be complete. As you can see here on my Apple Watch, running WatchOS 26 and set up again. That's it. If you are trying to set up with another Apple ID, then your watch will ask to verify the old Apple ID and remove it. Follow the on-screen steps and complete the setup. Please watch my separate tutorial given in the video description. That's it. Please like to support my channel. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates. And comment if you have any questions.